So in today's video, we're going to take a look at the difference between an active pickup like I have here in this Fishman Fluence Modern 8-string set and a passive pickup like I have here in this DiMarzio Blaze 7. So before we move on, if you like this video, please hit like and subscribe. Helps the channel continue to grow. Check out our channel. We've got loads of free licks and lessons and other things breaking down kind of everything involving music. So first, the difference between an active pickup and a passive pickup is that an active pickup needs a battery. So on the back of my Strandberg, there's a little cavity right here, and I've got my 9-volt in there that powers it. A passive pickup won't need a battery to operate. Now, because of the battery, normally active pickups are hotter or they have more output than a passive pickup, but that isn't necessarily true. It does depend on the specific set or model of pickups that you're looking at. This guitar is a Strandberg Bowden Metal 8, so the pickups that are in this one are Fishman Fluence Modern humbucker pickups. And they're very aggressive, and they're obviously suited or set towards kind of modern rock and metal sort of tones. So in the demonstrations, I'm going to play basically the same licks, riffs, and ideas, some on a high gain sort of aggressive metal tone, others on a low gain kind of like a lead, and you'll be able to hear the difference between the two different sets of pickups. So enough of me talking, let's get into some audio examples so you guys can hear the difference between these two pickups.